Liver patterns. The common symptoms in liver pattern: moodiness, irritability, eye problems, a feeling of distension. Gynecological problems: wiry pulse. 1. Empty full. Liver patterns are divided into deficiency and excess. Full, liver qi stagnation, liver blood stasis. Empty, liver blood deficiency, liver yang rising. 1. The excess patterns are further divided into qi and blood, namely liver qi stagnation and liver blood stasis. They present with characteristic liver symptoms such as emotional issues, pain in the coastal region, eye symptoms, and headaches. These liver pathology symptoms are combined with general qi stagnation and blood stasis patterns. Liver pattern: melancholy, moodiness, hypochondriac pain, wiry pulse, plus qi stagnation, abdominal distension, epigastric pain, painful periods, plus blood stasis, irregular period, clotted menses, fixed abdominal pain, purple complexion, choppy pulse. 1. 2. The empty pattern has no qi or yang deficiency, only liver blood deficiency. Liver blood deficiency combines characteristic liver symptoms with blood deficiency symptoms. Dizziness and muscle cramps are distinctive. The deficiency patterns include liver blood deficiency and the resulting liver yin deficiency, or in other words, two patterns: liver yang rising. The general pathological progression from blood deficiency to yin deficiency, and from yin deficiency, yang overacts. Blood deficiency to yin deficiency to yang overacting. This pattern is referred to as liver yang rising. Liver yang rising is characterized by a feeling of heat rising, agitation, anger, headache, and eye symptoms in addition to liver blood deficiency symptoms. Deficiency root, excess branch. For excess, there is qi stagnation and blood stasis. For deficiency, there is blood deficiency and yin deficiency. However, there is no liver qi deficiency or yang deficiency. 2. Cold, heat, liver fire blazing, damp heat in the liver and gallbladder. Cold stagnating in the liver vessel. First, for heat patterns, there are liver fire blazing and damp heat in the liver and gallbladder. Each combines liver symptoms with heat signs. Damp heat is characterized by jaundice and digestive symptoms. The pulse for both is generally wiry, rapid, with damp heat also presenting with a slippery or soggy pulse. For cold patterns, there is cold stagnating in the liver vessel. A distinctive symptom is cold pain in the liver channel and testicles. 3. Wind, liver wind from extreme heat, liver wind from liver yang rising, liver wind from liver blood deficiency. Next, there are wind patterns. This is based on the concept of internal wind, where all wind symptoms are connected to the liver, due to its correspondence with wind in the 5 elements. Wind symptoms: headache, spasms, stiffness, tremors, stroke symptoms. These wind patterns are further divided into liver blood deficiency, liver yang rising, and liver fire blazing, causing wind symptoms. In other words, wind symptoms caused by these 3 patterns are liver wind patterns.